According to the perennial and individual winemaking calendar, the months of August and September are two of the most exciting of the year. So today's video is about preparing a striper fillet like that, wrapping it in prosciutto, cooking it on a bed of kale, on a platter like that, in the oven at about 350 degrees for half an hour. However, according to this calendar, these are also the months where we're finishing with the garden tomatoes. Even though this was not a spectacular year for garden tomatoes, this is just about the last batch for this year, so it's not bad. There was, however, a lot of waste. And that's okay, every year can't be perfect. It's also the time of year to get prepared for the arrival of the grapes from California and Washington State. It's also the time of year to bottle the wine from the previous year, and that is the blend from Chile. That looks delicious. In many restaurants, on the menu would be written, must try. Let's go enjoy this striper fillet wrapped in prosciutto, cooked on a bed of kale for lunch, and then we'll come back and bottle some garden tomatoes. The kale, the outer edges of the kale are crispy, and that'll be a nice complement to the juiciness of the striper and the saltiness of the prosciutto. And for dessert, we even have a couple of figs. Not a great year this year for backyard figs, but the purple ones are starting to come in now, and every day I get about 3 to 6. E chi sta meglio di noi? Speriamo tutti quanti, dicevo mamma. After a delicious lunch like this, it's always easier to do other tasks, like bottle tomatoes and prepare wine bottles. The prosciutto, in my opinion, keeps the striper moist, and it keeps more of its flavors. So it's a good combination. A recent video showed how we lost one of these stripers off the rocks, surf casting with a Santini tube. But on that same day, we did land a 30-incher. And this fillet comes from it. So we're up to about 120 jars so far this year. And I didn't have enough to fill this one, but that's okay. Tomorrow I'm going to make one of my mom's favorite recipes, timpanuccio. You just cook that sauce and we add an egg. Can be scrambled, can be whole. Inspired by the catch of a striper and reminded by the perennial and individual winemaking calendar, we had a great day. A delicious lunch, and we have the bottles ready for bottling tomorrow. Grazie per la compagnia, come sempre.